مينيماس دي اي فلوجز يومين 11 كي اس اي. MBC تقدم مرحلة جديدة من Puppet Channel Toys الآن على MBC 1. Announcement before we start the show of Puppet Channel Toys موسم 2024 الجديدة مرحلة جديدة. Because of next year, a new season will come out. This موسم is until December 31st, 2024. Please note while we work on the 2025 version, please note that we're gonna keep MBC Edit's channel. And stay tuned for our website to know the upcoming shows for this month. Thank you. Beginning now, Puppet Channel Toys with the actress Minnie Mouse, media presenter at MBC Edit. Cat Toy, media presenter at MBC Edit. Alex, media presenter at MBC Edit. Yellow Toy, presenter at MBC Edit. Today we'll be showing about how long we've been working on this version and how long did it take to decide. Action. We've been working on this new version since 2023, and we've been fixing it, been developing, and stuff. From yesterday, we decided that this monster would be the best for every viewer. So we got an update from the relevant department of MBC Edits to end the show today around 6 p.m. Saudi. And then, once we decided to air the show, our social media department announced it on the YouTube channel, the Facebook department, and the YouTube. They uploaded the promo. I've been working at MBC Edit's promo at MBC Edit Media since 2024 April. I joined this group. I've been a part of this journey for about 4 months now. I thank MBC Group for this and I think that we're doing right now in the future. For the next couple of months, I'll be working on my talk show. So we're not going to upload it. We're going to do a new talk show from now. We're not allowed to upload the old talk shows. This is not a talk show. This is what they call it, Puppet Channel Toys. Which means me, Alex, Cat, and Yellow Toy are puppets. We are part of this group. So we created this journey a long time ago. And we have our snacks here in case we get hungry. And Cat wants to speak to you. Hey guys, I'm Cat. I'm at MBC Edit Possession since 2024 June. I've been doing YouTube videos on the iPad, then I switched to MBC Edits. And Alex was a position at this company since June, too. What do you say for yourself, Alex, about your job? It's so nice. My talk show comes every day around 9 o'clock in the morning. I get so excited once it airs, I watch it. I also work on developing new shows for MBC Edits. But inshallah, in the next couple of future, we'll be doing more uploads until the afternoon. And if from 2 p.m. we upload the next day videos. Yellow Toy is the next media presenter that wants to talk to you. I'm Yellow Toy. I've been a part of this MBC Edits group since 2023, and I applied on this job on November 10, 2024, and I've been part of this journey. I've been doing a lot of work, and regarding my job, I've been doing talk show since I started. Before I wasn't at MBC Group or Red Monkey. Red Monkey is looking for a job, so he might apply here. There's a website for applying that people need to send. So if Red Monkey applies for this job, he has to send his CV and approve it, and then he signs it, then that means he gets the job. If they don't approve him, they don't have a media presenter. I'm the media presenter, and then we don't need any presenters again. See you guys soon, and Puppet Channel Toys على MBC. Edit وشاهد يوميا. Time to take the thumbnail.